Today, River's taking his first step into the car world.
Yippee!
We're gonna tear down this engine and we're gonna freshen it up. Here we go. All right, so the first thing I think we should do, Mr. River, is get these A.M.L covers off.
A little more.
One A.M.L cover off.
Voila.
All right, now do you know what you're looking at?
These are the things that pump up and down.
These are rocker arms. These are push rods. These are valve springs. Okay.
Got it?
Got it.
Too small.
Let me see.
Well, it's because of this too, though.
That's a different size bolt. That's why. They bamboozled us.
You got bamboozled. Alright. Put this one back on. That's good. Take that. Handy, sir. These are tight on. These are tight on, like really tight. Yeah, it wasn't screwing it anymore. Did you see that, how it wasn't going anymore after
Yep.
a little while? It won't turn anymore. Now we can get it off.
All right.
Took it off.
Yep, looks like mice were trying to build a little nest in there. That's what that is. So next we got to get the heads off. And to get the heads off, these piston rods got to come out.
And then we can so go ahead and prime it.
Nope, we got to take more stuff off of it to prime it. I mean, we could probably honestly
Give it a
prime
little
it
bit.
the way it is now.
Hi, Goosey. What are you doing, little goober? Hello, guys. I know I'm all greasy. Don't mind my gloves either.
These might be a little tighter than
Usual, so you're going to do it.
So I'm going to do this part.
So he's doing this part because it might be a little bit more tighter, like he said. Just because you didn't hear that. Jeez. These are the push rods.
All right. So next the head's got to come off.
The head.
The heads. But you can try and loosen them, but these are very heavy, so I'm going to be the one to take those off.
These ones right here.
Yep. There's bolts there.
I squeezed too hard. That made me too.
Here, let's speed this up. This part, these are hard and these are heavy. Dude.
Just take them clear. Steering popped there too. This thing was so Papa's ceramic, but Goose isn't. He's in the porch though.
There goes the gasket.
What are these for again? Gasket?
That's a gasket. Them are no good, so that can go right to the trash.
Want to do it right now?
Take it to the trash.
Mm-hmm. So, if you guys didn't see what the pistons are, oh, Dad's gone. These are the pistons. If you're a kid and you don't know what a piston is, they pump the car and make it run. So that's why they're in different levels. So these all go up and down, up. So like this one is all up. So it will go all the way down, and this one will come up. That one will go down, this one will come up, up, down, up, down. That's what it's done. You guys should buy one of these. They're kind of expensive. But like, they just take a battery.
Alright, so we got it tore down to where we can see the pistons. Now the next thing you want to do to make sure, before you start putting it all back together and making sure everything's good, and before you start putting expensive paints and primers on one of these engines, what do you think we should do next?
I'll check and make sure everything works.
Check and make sure this motor isn't seized up. And one way you do that is, I got a socket here. We're going to see these move. Okay? So, here goes nothing.
If it's not seized up, we're going to see them
We're
move?
going to see them go up and down. But if it's seized up, I won't even be able to turn it. So if it's seized up and it does not turn, that means this engine is the garbage and it's going to go to a junkyard. So what are we praying for right now? That we're going to see the pistons moving. I have not done this yet. So we're going to find out together on YouTube if this engine is seized or not. Count us down, River.
1, 2, 3. Yes! This is good. This is what I was talking about. When the car is moving, it pumps them up and down.
These right here go up and down just like the pistons will too. And that's where your push rods rest
That one
on.
goes just up and that one comes down.